Under the Panel Account section of the menu, we can add or delete panels. You can also import existing accounts from a legacy 6200 receiver. This is a one-time process that will bring in previously existing accounts. One advantage is that you will not have to enter all the information again for accounts you had already configured. Under the Receivers menu, click the Import icon. Click the Choose File button, navigate to the file you exported from the previous receiver, open the file and then click the Submit button. When you return to the Panel Account section you will find all the imported account information. If we switch receivers, you can see that Receiver 1 remains empty because we imported to Receiver 2. The first 4 columns feature a drop-down menu to sort the data. Previous receivers did not require an account name. Unnamed accounts that are imported will be assigned a number. You can edit the name here. The status column displays one of 5 statuses: pending, disabled, disabled by attack, online, and offline. Pending is a new account that has been added but has not checked in with the receiver yet. If we pick an account and disable it, this is reflected in the status column. An account will read as disabled if it is manually disabled or if it was disabled by attack. If an account is out of sync or has the wrong key, it will display as disabled by attack. Click into an account to configure it. You can edit the name and view the other account information. The NNC number is from the panel or from the module that is communicating. The virtual account numbers are generated to be sent to automation. For example, if the panel doesn't check in, it needs to tell automation that the panel has missed a check, and it is in a COM fail state. It uses the virtual account to communicate with the automation software. This could vary based on what makes sense for your installation. The static key displays the key on the back of that system once they are synchronized. This is helpful if you must resync the panel. If you toggle on the resync button the next time the panel or the device communicator checks in, it will resynchronize. You can change the receiver here. The advantage is that you can have one receiver encrypted and one that is not. You can upgrade from an unencrypted system by importing to the unencrypted receiver 1. Then as the panels are reconfigured you can switch them to the encrypted receiver 2. Under Customization, input the virtual receiver number here for how you want to communicate with the automation system. Number range is 0 to 99. Virtual line number values are 0 to 34 and corresponds to legacy products that may have been in use. Toggle on Supervise to tell automation how long to wait for the panel to check in. The field below can be set for seconds or hours. Use Legacy Time Sync if your previous system supervision was configured to use minutes. After you have made your changes, click the Save and Close button. There is a search window at the top of the page. You can search by panel name or number. You can search all receivers or a specific receiver by choosing in the Show Accounts For drop-down menu. Multiple users can make changes here in the system at the same time. To add a new account, click the button in the upper right corner. Enter the panel name and parameters, click the Submit button, and the created account is in the list when we return to the main page.